All right, boys and girls, we're gonna put this thing together, okay? Oh wait, hello. So, got the manual, got everything laid out here. Go over there. There you go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put this bass drum together, kicker. So we got a couple drum heads. Well, that I did. Where'd I put them? See? Look at that. All right. We gotta figure out which is the front and back of this drum shell. Place black bass drum head with a Rogue logo on front of the bass drum shell. So how do I know which is the front and back of the shell? You wanna know? Because I don't know. Like, okay, there's these. Okay, so here we go. This is the front, I think. Right? Yeah. Well, hold on. Never done this before, okay? So I think that's the front, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I think.
Yeah, okay, so this bracket is towards the front more than towards the back. Okay, cool. We figured that one out. Right? You in the shop still? Steven?
Nope.
Well, get closer, you're out of view. Get over here. How about now?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we got to press the hoop on the head, okay? So,
Harper, scoot up. Harper, scoot that way.
that.
There
Is
you
that how
go.
it goes?
Perfect.
Okay, if anybody's done this before, put something in the comments. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's okay.
He has never done this before.
No.
But he still knows how to do it. Because
This is just like that. Does that look right? Is that right? I think that's right.
it is definitely not right that it's too wiggly.
Is it too wiggly?
Yeah. And this is better. Tell me if this is right. And we're trying to get to 20 million subscribers.
I don't think the way we're doing this.
So someone please subscribe 20 million times.
Yeah.
So it's a shell, the drum hoop, but where does the head go?
Dead.
Well, I guess it just goes like that. I mean, it looks kind of weird that way. All right, so you got short and long bolts.
Subscribers and likes.
So look, Harper, you got your short and your long bolt. It says use the short bolts. So we're gonna use the short bolts. We're gonna use these things. So this just goes like that, see? And then there's a washer on it, and then you just thread it in there. See? See like that? Are we in shot still? And then you use this, spin it on.
Yes, we're still in the shot.
So now we just gotta keep doing it. Okay. Like this. You wanna help?
Are these the ones?
Yeah, so put that in there. Put it right there or there. You take a short bolt and then start it. Yeah, thread it by
I
hand.
got it.
Put it in there.
Is that right there?
Yeah, good job.
Why is it so wiggly?
Because we haven't tightened it down yet. Everything's wiggly until it's not.
I got that top.
Yeah, put one more in.
Did I get, give me a bolt, Daddy. Let me do the
Okay, you do the bolt.
Here, Dad. This has to be right.
And then this drum head has to be clocked just right because it has a logo on it. So we're gonna that. And where's the key? Where's the tightening key? I just had it. Anyone know?
Top.
Oh, did I leave it on it? All right, so we spin these in like that. See? Gotta make it nice and tight for it to sound right. Okay, see, it's all loosey goosey right now. Tighten this head down.
Let me try that. Can I try?
All right, after I do this one. Okay, you do this one now. We're going crosswise. Do this one. Go to that one. No, use the key. Take the key and you put it on here. Start tightening it down, but not too tight. Just a little bit.
How tight?
Just a little bit. Just until you feel it get a little tight. Going. Just a little bit. Hey, my shirt matches the drum. All right, let me help you. A little bit more. Here go up. Pitch. The speed of the head vibrates determined by the tightness, the tension of the skin. You know, in the older days, you know what they use for drum heads?
What?
Animal skin. Probably still do in some places. Drum is one of the oldest instruments in the world. Okay, we've got some more to tighten up. We're gonna keep on tightening. Uniform tension, that's what tuning these things is all about. You can even see the skin tighten up as we do this.
Are we ready to rock? Are you ready to rock this place up?
Watch it, I tighten it, there's ripple, the ripples go away. Takes a good ear to know how to do this. Oh, it's pretty tight now. Now it's starting to sound like a bass drum.
You gonna make a tuning video too?
Yeah, how to tune your drum kit. Alright. It might be a little too tight, I don't know. This one hasn't gone on yet.
If you guys know what I'm playing the song in class.
It does kind of sound like glass, doesn't it? Alright, now we're going to do the other side. What do you think? When I really should have done the throne first, I could sit on it while I'm doing this, but that's okay. Wait a second. Is that seems different from the other one, doesn't it? Is that right? No, that's right. That's right. It goes over it like that. Yeah. It pushes down and stretches the skin or the head. Okay, so which are the right? Okay, these are the bolts.
How did you play what you were just playing?
I just used my fingers.
How did you do?
I used my fingers.
How?
I just went. But it's not on it, so it doesn't sound right. It's just laying on top. It's not going to sound right until you tune it up. The last one. Harper, tell your fans, your audience, something about you while I'm putting all these bolts through here.
Okay.
Look at the camera. Over there. Talk about your love of drumming and music in general.
Me?
Over there. No, you gotta be back there. Go by the tree. Go by the tree. Over there. There you go.
Move towards your dad. Right there.
There you go.
There used to be in one of my videos. And
What else?
play in the studio at a concert.
A lot of concerts. And how do you want to play for Rush? Tell me about you wanting to be Rush's next drummer.
Well, I'll figure it out.
You want to be the drummer and the singer?
Yeah. No, just the drummer.
Oh, just the drummer? Yeah. Rock and roll. Probably will need to pull some of these heads back off and reassemble the other ones in it, just for space. There we go. When you're ready for your first drum recital. Yeah.
Are we still going to be in the shot of us playing it?
Yeah, I don't know. Am I in the shot? Sounding like a bass drum.
No, are we going to be in the shot of playing it?
I hope so. I think it's too tight. What do you think? You guys tell me. Do I have it too tight or too loose? I think it should have be a lot lower pitch, but I don't know. Kind of sounds more like a tom than a bass. But you got to put it this way. Looks good. I think it's too tight, but that's all right. We can play with the tuning later.
Drummer Dave said it sounded okay. Thanks for the comments, Drummer Dave.
Yeah. All right, what's next?
Who's Drummer Dave?
It's one of your fans.
All right, so okay, we've got to put the legs on the drum. Okay, loosen key screw on spur bracket.
What did he comment?
Okay, so at the bottom there's some spur brackets here. Let's see what they're all about. There, that sounds pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna be quiet. 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 It's starting to sound like a drum kit. So which are the feet of the kicker? So how do I know which one goes where? We're going to set this like this. So this one goes out that way. Hey, 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 hey. Let's put this on. Like that, right? Is that the right way? No, that's not right. That.
Have you put it together yet, Dad?
There we go. Is that how it goes? Or is that not?
Is that a foot? That thing sticking out back over there?
That?
Yeah.
No, that's where the tom's attached to.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get the angle right. It's kind of hard for me to conceptualize this a little bit.
Is Santa good with me? Where's the elf?
The elf's job's over. Santa came.
Now this looks completely different than the picture.
Oh, then where's the rest of the stuff?
What do you mean rest of the stuff?
I got more stuff from Christmas and it didn't happen.